Hello students, my name is Kamboj and in this video I'm gonna start with reading module. The first thing that is quite important for each and every student to get to know about how many types of questions they will get in their exam. There are approximately 10 different types of questions that you can get in your reading exam. Don't worry about academic or general IELTS because types of questions are same. The level of reading, the level of difficulty is different from academic to general IELTS. The format is definitely different for academic or general IELTS exam, but the type of questions are same. So if you are preparing for general IELTS, so don't worry about it. This video is for both academic as well as general IELTS students. So let's begin with first type of questions. The first type of questions are short answer type questions. Like you will get a question, then you have to find out the answer for that one. You will get one specific instructions, you have to follow those instructions, then you have to answer the short answer type questions. It's not only for short type answer questions, its instructions are important for everywhere. It doesn't matter it's listening or reading. It doesn't matter it's listening or reading exam, you have to read instructions carefully in both as well as in listening and speaking too. So in short answer type questions you might get one word answers. There might be option of not more than 2 words or might be an option of not more than 3 words or a number, something like this. So you have to be careful about that thing. The second type is multiple choice question. In multiple choice question you will get different options like option A, option B, option C and D. Then you have to pick one correct option from there and that is known as multiple choice question. The third one is true false not given or yes no not given. So in these types of questions one thing that you have to be careful with is to write exact thing. If in the instruction you get that write true false not given, then you have to write these words. Like you can't write yes no not given instead of true false not given. If you do such type of things, if you use true false not given or yes no not given as synonyms in reading, then your answer will be wrong. The fourth one is matching headings. Matching headings, you will get some passages, then you have to match list of headings. That means like if you get passage A, B, C and D. So you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 options. Like you only have 4 matching headings but you have 7 options. The options can be 6 or 5. So it's up to the reading that you will get. So in this you have to find out which list of heading is appropriate for option A, which list of heading is appropriate for option or passage A or passage B, C and D. So like you have to choose 4 options from these. The fifth one is labeling diagrams. You will get a diagram and where you have to label it. Like it can be like this. There will be a jar and it's filled with oil. Then there is a glass. Then there is sand. Something like this, and they will ask questions like this. The question number 20, what is this? The glass, like the jar is made up of this. Then you have to read the passage and you will find these answers over there. The sixth type of questions are matching names. Like you will get different names. It can be writer name, scientists and many more. It depends on the reading. So you have to match the names. Like if I say that in 1875 any name of scientist like XYZ invent this. So you have to match that in 1875 who invent this. Then you have to find the name of the scientist in the passage and it will be good to go. You will find the correct answer. The seventh one is table completion. As usual, I discussed in listening exam, you will get a table and you have a passage. Then at the same time you will have blanks in the table and you have to fill those blanks by reading those passages. That is known as table completion. The eighth one is sentence completion. Like you will get some sentences and you will have some blanks in those sentences. Like this is a sentence and there is a blank. We also known it as, fill in the blank. So you have to fill those things. The ninth one is summary completion. You will get a passage and there will be a summary. So you have to complete that summary. The next one is matching sentences. Like you will get different sentences and you have to match correct sentence with each other. So this is all about different type of questions that you can get in your reading exam. So in the next video I will discuss about each of these different types of questions in more detail. I will also discuss about strategies and tips that will help you to tackle with these questions. So thanks a lot for today. If you are new at my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot.